Hello friends, in this video we are carrying out a compression test to check the condition of the engine cylinders. A compression test helps identify worn piston rings, leaking valves, or head gasket issues. Let's go through the process step by step. Here is a compression tester, Proteon compression test kit we will be using in this test. Before starting, make sure the battery is fully charged so the engine cranks at normal speed during testing. Remove all the spark plugs to allow the engine to rotate freely. Next, fit the tester adapter pipe into the first spark plug hole and tighten it securely by hand. Now fix the gauge on the pipe. It's important there are no leaks at the fitting point. Now crank the engine for a few seconds and watch the pressure gauge. The needle will rise and stabilize. Note the final reading for that cylinder. In our case, it is 150 psi plus. It's more than 150 psi. Now we have tightened the adapter into the second cylinder and fixed the gauge. Now we will check the second cylinder. There you can see its compression is almost 30 psi. We have repeated and it's almost 30 psi. Now we have tightened the third cylinder and the result of the third cylinder is also almost 150 psi. Now we will install the gauge into the fourth cylinder and we will check the result of the fourth cylinder. The test result of the fourth cylinder is also 150 psi plus. We will reconfirm that the second cylinder we tested in the engine, which was showing us low pressure. We will do a compression test again on this cylinder and we will crank the engine. Here you can see it's reconfirmed that this cylinder has some serious issue because it's showing us 30 psi, which means there is a serious compression loss. This could be caused by worn piston rings or burnt valve or a leaking head gasket. To make sure, we retested the same cylinder after rechecking the tester connection and confirming that there is no leak in the connections. The pressure again stayed at 30 psi, reconfirming a definite compression leak in that cylinder. Before dismantling any parts, allow the cylinder head to cool down. Using a temperature gauge, check the head temperature. Once it drops below 48 degrees Celsius, it's safe to start disassembly. This step prevents possible head wrapping or surface damage due to thermal stress. That completes the compression test. The readings show one faulty cylinder that will need inspection and repair. Always follow proper safety and cooling procedures before removing any engine components. Thank you for watching this compression test demonstration.